Teaching students how to provide feedback is a way to help deepen their understanding of the course material. It's also a valuable lifelong transferable skill. Let's take a look at an example from GOA's number theory. In this example, the teacher guides its students on how to have mathematical discussions through an annotation activity. He begins with this basic idea that having mathematical conversations and discussions may be unfamiliar, and so he's asked them to step into the role of a teacher and to annotate a pretend discussion that he made up for a fictional Algebra 2 class. The goal, and it's highlighted very clearly here, is to get students to be more aware of how to make future explorations and discussions work well in the course. And ultimately, the outcome is that students are better equipped to give and receive feedback on mathematical conversations. What the teacher does is he starts out by asking students to make a copy of a document that they can then annotate. He provides an opening prompt and a sample discussion that 5 students are having around the mathematical concepts. He then asks students to review the first few pages of the document. The left column features the responses from the students in the conversations that they are having. The right column features the teacher's annotations on the various mathematical moves that the students are making, as well as the learning outcomes that are emerging. The teacher does this as a way to model feedback for his students. He then asks his students to fill in the blanks and take the next steps to then enter specific concepts that describe the moves that students in the sample group are making and tie it to the language of outcomes. And again, the idea behind this exercise, it's a way to model feedback for students as well as teach students how to provide feedback. And ultimately, at the end, the teacher will then go and provide feedback on the students' feedback.